Hey, I'm Noriko with Noriko's House Cleaning. You've probably dealt with companies who don't show up, or cleaners who leave you wondering if today is going to be a good one. We've heard the same frustrations from so many clients, and that's exactly why we built something different. We believe trust should never be broken. Your home is not another stop on a cleaning route. It's your safe space. And we're here to earn that trust every single time with trained and vetted technicians who treat your home with care and respect. We know how stressful it is to wonder if someone is going to show up or if anyone is going to respond when you reach out. That's why we prioritize reliable service and clear communication so that you never feel left in the dark. We're here to lighten your load, not to add to it, to be the cleaning service that you can truly count on, because your peace of mind matters.